Did you know we all have been installing NVIDIA drivers the wrong way? In this video, I will show you how to install NVIDIA drivers the correct way and reduce the overall system load. I will also show you best NVIDIA driver settings for ultimate gaming performance. First of all, I will show you how a standard NVIDIA install looks like, and then I will clean install NVIDIA drivers and compare the result at the end. So if I go to my task manager, you can see the system is like, you can see the NVIDIA containers, you can see shadow play, share, web help. So there are so many processes are running in the background, and we don't actually need all the process to be running in the background uh, to NVIDIA drivers to work. So in order to install the NVIDIA drivers the correct way, first of all, you need to go to the NVIDIA driver website. I will leave the link in the description, and download the correct driver for your graphics card. For my case, it's like RTX 2060, and for Windows 10, if you are using Windows 11, you can select Windows 11, and you need to select the game ready driver and click on search. Once the search is completed, you will be getting the recommendation, and you need to click on download again, and the download will start. I already have this downloaded. Then next piece of software you need is the display driver uninstaller. So you can go to this URL, and you can download the program. I already have downloaded. You can click on these buttons like download mirror and download the program. And the third software you need is NV clean install. So you can click on this download button and download the same. Make sure you create a folder somewhere on your desktop or any folder or drive. I have already created and downloaded all these files. Then in case you are looking to use the shadow play like overlay and all that, you can install GeForce Experience additionally, so you will not be losing any features of NVIDIA. So first of all, we need to do is uninstall the existing driver. So you need DDU, which is display driver uninstaller. So you need to extract the file, and here you have the display driver uninstaller, and you need to extract again. Ideally, you should run display driver uninstaller in safe mode, but I can't do that because I have to record this video. And for your case, you can just go to you can hold the shift button on your keyboard and click on the start menu, and go to power and click on restart. So you will be on a blue screen, and there you can go to troubleshoot. I will show some screenshot on the screen so you will be able to understand. So we have the program. You need to run the display driver uninstaller as admin and run as administrator. Right. So make sure these checks are there, like prevent download from Windows, update when Windows searches. Then make sure you remove the psych as well and close this. As you can see, it's detecting that we are not in safe mode, but anyhow we are going to run this without the safe mode. So I will do clean and do not restart. In your case, you should do clean and restart. So this is trying to create a restore point. This will take some time, and once the once the cleanup is complete, you'll be notified. So you can see the clean uninstall is completed, and would you like to exit? So we will be clicking yes, and the cleanup is completed. Now what we need to do is go to our folder. So now we have the NVIDIA drivers already uninstalled using DDU display driver uninstall. So next thing we need to do is install the NVIDIA drivers, but not by just running the exe. We will be running the NVIDIA drivers via nv clean install. So first of all, you need to run the nv clean install as an admin. Then you need to go to used driver file on the disk and click on browse. Go to the folder, and this is the driver which we have downloaded, 472.12, which is the latest driver right now. So you can see we have this, our GPU and all that, everything is detected. You need to click on install, and you need to make sure only display driver is required. Okay, nothing is selected, only the display driver which is selected, and click on next. So now this will unpack all the driver components. Right, so we are now under installation tweaks. So you need to go to you need to check these few boxes, which is disable installer telemetries, unattended express installation, and perform a clean, because we have already done a clean uninstall, so we don't need to check this. And click on next and click on install. So now you don't need to do anything, the drivers are getting installed, and once it's done you'll be notified. Once the driver is installed using the NV Clean install, simply close the NV Clean install window and go back to your desktop. Right click and open NVIDIA control panel. You can also do it from here, from the taskbar. And you need to accept the license terms. And once you are done, you will see this window. So this is the NVIDIA control panel, and I am going to show you the best optimal settings for the best gaming performance. So you need to select use my preference and slide down this to performance and click on apply, and go to manage 3D settings. Scroll down and make sure your monitor technology is selected. If you have a G-Sync monitor, you can select G-Sync. Otherwise you can just select fixed refresh. Power management, go and set this to prefer maximum performance, and the refresh rate, make sure this is set to highest available, and texture filtering is set to high performance, and VSync is off, and click on apply. Once the settings are applied, go back to configure surround psych and select this NVIDIA GeForce, whatever graphics card you have, click on apply. So these settings are optimal or best for any NVIDIA graphics card. So this is not like that this will work on X graphics card or Y graphics card. This will work on any graphic card. And make sure this is set to use NVIDIA color settings and click on apply. Go to adjust desktop color settings, and this is my personal preference. I keep my digital vibrance little bit like 10% higher, to 60, and you can leave everything as it is. And if you have multiple displays, you can go to set up multiple display. I don't have multiple monitors. You can go to adjust video color setting and set this to with the NVIDIA setting and set this to full in advance. Then you have the adjust video image setting and make sure this is selected. Use NVIDIA settings. That's all, and this is how you optimize your NVIDIA drivers, and this is the best way to install NVIDIA drivers. Actually, we can go to the task manager and you can see only 2 processes are running for the NVIDIA container. So that's all for this video, and hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content.